started shooting also.
Excuse me?
Let me put on some lipstick and all, yeah.
Excuse me? Excuse me, you're talking to me? Are you talking to me?
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
And I didn't even know it. संडे के व्लॉग में आप सब लोगों का स्वागत है. And I think I'm not going to speak much about today's vlog. I think I'm just going to let you guys watch it till the end. I'm on my way with Pandurang and this is how my Uber looks. It's the Uber in charge. So it says that it's going to take me like 27 minutes to reach my destination, which is going to be so much fun. We are going to be spending this time with this amazing, fun person, and this person is already reached. She messaged me saying I'm here since like 15 minutes. So yeah, I just hope I make it a little quick because she's this, I think she's this goody two shoes kind of a person who is like very particular about time. The next shot after we reach there, I'm just going to directly be like candid with her and candid on her. Vaishali, and I am not going to call Aarti and tell her that I have reached. I am going to basically just try to find her. Clue number 1, she's got purple hair. Clue number 2, she's going to look extremely happy. Clue number 3, she might just look disappointed because I'm a little late.
Already started shooting also.
Excuse me?
Let me put on some lipstick and all, yeah.
Excuse me? Excuse me, you're talking to me? Are you talking to me? So guys, Aarti is here and Vaishali is here. Aarti, first I think you need to apologize because they were waiting to see you for so long and you're like...
Apologies guys, क्योंकि I came to FC Road after so long and then it's not possible that you don't get distracted, right? So I got down there and I was like, let me just quickly check क्या है.
Yeah.
So I got busy window shopping. I'm sorry.
No, but the biggest distraction was waiting for you.
Sorry, man.
Sorry guys, we've got our table and these guys are waiting for us. That's like a very rare moment because usually Vaishali you have to wait, but today they are waiting.
Yeah.
So I
Which
think
is a
we
big
should not.
deal.
Yeah,
we can't disrespect them.
Thank you. Why are you disappointed?
I'll tell you. I'm disappointed with my outfit, with everything today. I'll tell you.
Okay,
Because
this is
I was
on
supposed
camera.
to wear this really cute crop top today and come, but it was so open that everything was showing. And I was leaving with my dad. But I was like, fuck this shit. I was like, should I wear it under this shirt? And I was like, I can't do so much tham jam, so I just wore this. I like it, but I would have preferred wearing a crop top.
I really like it.
Even I
because
like
it's safe and if it rains extra, it's
Yeah,
safe.
and it's also from MG Road for just 50 rupees. So if you guys want to know, go check out my shopping haul.
Oh my
Sorry.
god, such shameless plugs this female is giving. Very important information. We were allotted this table which was upar and we didn't want it. We wanted it niche because my memories are नीचे के tables पे. तो हम लोग वापस बाहर आ गए और हम वापस अंदर जाएंगे. With this it gets like very sweaty because it's not cotton, na.
Excuse me, ma'am, I'm wearing 2.
Do you? Okay, now you agree. Now you agree with what I told you some time back.
This is just paranoia.
So in short, Aarti is extra.
Extra.
So guys, this female is here.
What do you mean by this female is here?
So guys,
Whose name is Aarti?
dude, so this YouTube wali Aarti is here. Okay, and she just feels really great to say, and she feels, I don't know what sort of pleasure she derives out of saying that, oh Vaishali, yeah, I don't like it so much. I love it. But I want her to actually taste the sambar with like full attention. Tell me 3 differences.
You know,
Good, bad, jo bhi hai.
okay, but you know that I love South Indian food. I love it. And I am very specific about sambar.
So you give your tippani, na?
So जब से, I'm sorry to say this, but जब से I've come to Pune and Mumbai, I've stopped eating South Indian. because they make
Because
meetha
you're waiting
sambar.
for the day that I
Because
call
they
you
make
to
meetha
Vaishali.
sambar. Sambar.
No, just tell the truth. You are waiting for me to call you to Vaishali.
Fine, let's eat the sambar here.
चलो देखते हैं यार. And besides that, we're just going to be like gallivanting on the street, which happens to be like my college street and my college memories. So बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं जो देखने लायक है, like including the both of us.
Tanvi is going to, yeah. Tanvi is going to take me on a walk down the memory lane.
Yes, walk down the memory lane and like literally also walk her down one lane
Yeah.
which used to be our katta. So we are going to have coffee over there after we eat over here. Guys, we're just having fun. It's like super sticky, so we might just make those faces, but we are like happy.
Yeah, don't go on our faces.
Yeah.
We're happy inside.
Yeah,
it might not show right now.
Yeah, it's just a little sticky, that's why.
Yeah.
Masala dosa, SPDP and basically आपले सगळे रवा डोसा पण मैसूर मसाला डोसा रवा डोसा सगळेच.
Cool. I think I'll have dosa.
मेरे लिए एक ऑनियन उत्तपा कड़ा एक्स्ट्रा ग्रीन चिलीज और इनके लिए मसाला डोसा
Cheese masala
चीज़
dosa.
मसाला डोसा. चीज़ कोई डालता है मसाला डोसा में, ऐसे लोग ही खाते हैं.
डालते हैं ना भैया?
डालते हैं
डालते हैं.
अच्छा लगता है क्या?
अच्छा लगता है.
ओके आरती स्टीम
Chandrakant is my side.
This is like Pune ki shaan. And you know something, like you know when if you're not like waiting at Vaishali na, then you like feel kind of off.
It's weird. to not wait
It's
at
weird.
Vaishali.
It's like dude, त्याला आज नळाला पाणी येत नाहीये का, like you know.
I think that's true. Currently, me Vaishali, like in all my life, I've come here like 3 or 4 times. This must be the 4th, and every time I've waited.
Eaten much since morning.
Yeah, I had breakfast.
Okay, yeah. So she'll wake up, she'll do this breakfast, she'll do this meditation.
Excuse me, I just did normal human
Okay,
things.
so she
Stop
like,
it.
So she like, so
I
she
had
like.
breakfast.
So
Which
she-
is the most normal thing a person is supposed to do after
No,
you
but you're
wake
not
up.
supposed to do all normal things, okay? Like sleep on time, wake up on time, meditate, and then take care of work and think about work and be like yeah and all.
It's nice.
No,
it
not
feels
you're,
good.
but you're not in your city. You're not supposed to do these things.
I agree. Whenever I come to Pune, it's chill for me. I only chill in Pune. This is the first time I've come here and I'm working. And can I tell you something honestly? I'm loving it. Because Pune, like Mumbai, mein also, after a point you get irritated because weather, humidity, heat. But it's so pleasant here.
Yeah.
And I was telling my friend the other day, I'm loving it. I'm loving the vibe. Like it's always breezy. There's a balcony.
Yeah, and then you have people like me.
Yeah, of course. Then I have people like you who meet me like after like 10 days after
After planning and all.
Yeah, after a long planning. But I'm glad we planned and we met each other.
Guys, I think you guys can suggest us if you want us to like talk about a few things and like go to any place in Mumbai or Pune, because I keep going to
You
Mumbai.
realize you're doing it on camera.
Yeah, like I'm doing that because I am like
Acha,
that.
no, you were pulling your hair.
Why is Aarti like? I'm waiting for Aarti to have her kids. Why? Like I want to see, whenever it is, I want to see how she trains her kids.
You should
like
first wait
it's
for me to have a husband, not
Yeah,
kids.
so I think we're gonna make vlogs where we talk about what expectations girls have from their husbands, boyfriends, and their guy friends. Like different.
Hey, that's a very good video idea.
That is a very good video idea. Like why like this with this and not with this? Then what is different and blah blah. And then probably we can clear out a lot of things in our heads.
You know what? Okay, but we should do that next.
Yeah. Okay. Beep. We're gonna wait for our food now. We're not gonna talk. I like authentic डोस्यामध्ये चीज नसतं.
Authentic खायचं असलं तर then I'll go to South.
Ah.
So why am I being so? Why am I being so mean? I don't know. But wait,
That's because you are me.
I like the dosa and bhaji.
You'll say it's different.
I'm not kidding.
Yeah, you're not kidding. What is it? Are you scared to give a bad comment?
No. It's actually nice but it wasn't like this when I ate it last. I'm sure it wasn't like this.
Yeah, I gave them special instructions. I'm getting
This is not
Aarti.
sweet.
So I gave them special instructions. Aarti is here. No, but honestly, how do you feel?
No, I'm surprised it's not sweet. Currently, I feel like whenever I've had sambar here, it has been sweet. That's why I've not liked it. But this sambar is actually nice.
So guys, we're just going to be like taking our coffee and doing the gully girl things.
I'm loving how this multitasker that you suddenly become. She's shooting 2 vlogs at a time. So I have to be very focused कि अभी क्या बोलना है. So yeah.
That's exactly what Aarti likes to
This
do.
is for the
we are gonna be the gully girls, and we're gonna go in the gully next to the Vaishali.
The guy just turned, he just spat. He's like, who's talking so weirdly?
Yeah.
I like the dosa. You did not capture this for your English channel.
Arey, I did, yeah. Captured it.
Okay.
This is like a producer. She's like this constant producer. Like, okay, did we shoot that link? Acha, did we do this? Okay, did we do that? Okay, so is it lunchtime?
Listen, I've
Is
been
it
a producer since 10 years. How is it
Yeah,
going
so
to
dude,
leave
I've
me?
been an actor. It's the actor's
How is
job
it gonna leave me?
It is actor's job to trouble the producer. So that's exactly what I'm doing with you here. Okay. See, if she's checking if art direction is correct, like, you know, if he's like, we put the pocha nicely on the table.
He's just done this. He's dropped it on niche and gone.
चला 1/2 मस्तच मला जास्ती ठेवा हां तिला जास्ती नको मला जास्ती द्या
तुम्हाला जास्त पाहिजे का ही जास्त आहे
Aarti, are you giving prasad to the heart?
I'm offering to the nature because the nature has given me this beautiful.
What are you
No,
doing?
I hate malai, dude. If that goes in my mouth, I will throw up.
That used to be my table. That is my area. I didn't. Anyway. Thank you. Yeah. Swiggy counters, Swiggies and Zomatos.
Oh my.
Aarti, follow me. So this is the gully. We've like walked half the gully, and there is like still half of the gully left to be walked. You know, there used to be like, so when we used to like talk here and have fun here and all, like be like in groups and all of that. Like people used to complain.
Yeah, that's what I was wondering. How
Yeah.
do all these people who live here didn't have a problem with it?
I mean, you know what? Everybody just hates college kids, I think, after a point. So
Yeah.
they would be like, you know, these college kids.
Tell
and
me,
all
have
things.
you ever made out in this lane?
Dude, no, please. I'm way too classy to do that. So, it's like, you know, so basically हम लोगों का क्या होता था कट्टा मतलब क्या होता है गॉसिप ना तो पूरा कॉलेज का गॉसिप इधर उधर का गॉसिप ये
अच्छा.
सब गॉसिप सेशंस यहाँ पे
कट्टा वर्ड मी
चलते थे.
पुण्यात येऊन शिकली आहे, by the way.
हाँ.
So मी पुण्यात, you know right that I was on radio here.
Yeah.
That word कट्टा I'm like, है क्या कट्टा? Then I
Check the mic and make sure it sound right,
So that
boys.
says है क्या ये कट्टा? That means can you imagine how dumb Aarti was? Like she didn't know what कट्टा is.
हम नागपुर में कट्टा नहीं बोलते, ठीक है?
हम
I don't
नागपुर
know
के
क्या बोलते हैं
कट्टा.
उधर.
And I didn't even know it.
Nice.
I know they're like these boys trying to watch us from there, like thinking like, what are these girls going in this corner? Because we are at the end of the lane.
Yeah.
So-
But I have to say this, I'm so happy that she can do this in Pune. If I do this in Mumbai, 4 बिल्डिंग के चौकीदार आ जाएंगे, ये क्या है मैडम, मैडम उठाओ कैमरा उठाओ, यहाँ अलाउड नहीं है मैडम. And I'll be like, पर मैं आपके सोसाइटी में नहीं हूँ, मैं रोड पे तो like no. लेकिन good freedom to.
No, it's like how there is Papa Kipari, right? So I'm like Pune Kipari. So okay, so you know why we guys are like looking like this is because we just had this awesome photo shoot. Please go to our Instagrams.
Yeah, check our
And
Instagram
check our
pictures.
Instagram pictures because we put in so much hard work.
Can you turn? You never find roads like this.
I'm gonna go to my college main gate, so I could
Can't
just
wait.
show Aarti to the college and the college to the Aarti.
And we are going to get judged when we go because that entire group has been like judging us. ये दोनों
Yeah.
लड़कियां उधर कोने में जाके क्या
कर
रही हैं?
क्या रही है? And only after you see the pictures you will come to
You'll
know how
know
we have
it's
shot
worth it.
them. Are you confused? Like, why are there people on the road just like Mumbai? Why is there street shopping on FC Road?
No, but it's happening now. But 4 बजे बंद होने वाली है.
हाँ.
Yeah.
So you are making most of it. The Pakistanians!
sound right, boy.
ये है हमारे ऑफिस, हमारे कॉलेज की मेन बिल्डिंग, और ये हमारा ऑफिस है, और ये हमारे कोई स्टूडेंट्स हैं जो काफ़ी मज़े कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे. So we were doing Vaishali fun and all, so I thought why not just go to my college and show Aarti my college. And as you can see from Aarti's face, she
And
has
as you can see,
really-
I am feeling bad about not being in Ferguson College. I मैं क्यों कहीं और पढ़ी? Why did I don't know what is this beautiful building? I swear if I was here, I would keep. I don't know how people studied here. This college is so beautiful and scenic. All you can do is take pictures here.
It sound right, boy.
I remember it used to be so hot for other people, like other students used to say that हमारे classrooms में इतना गर्म होता है, but because this is like stone walls and stone buildings, right?
It was
So we
still
would,
cold.
it was always be like cool, and everybody used to be, hi, you're from Ferguson. So we never used to have those dress code kind of things, you know, like we could be
Yeah.
like, it was very much like you need to come here to study.
Yeah.
So there were no comments or remarks about like what you're wearing, why you're wearing, and all of that. So people who pass out from Ferguson or are a part of, have been in Ferguson, people look at them differently only, like, yeah, you know, it's a very confident person. So yeah, I was really privileged. I thank my dad that he actually paid my NRI fees to be here. Also, I scored 90+%.
इतना cut off था Ferguson का.
94.
That's crazy.
Yeah. So
Oh, then I wouldn't have been here. I didn't even know you needed that kind of.
So guys, check out the vlog on Aarti's channel, YouTube wali Aarti, and keep sending in the love and keep just
She's
supporting
tired.
the channel. Now I
Just
hand over to
subscribe to her Marathi channel, subscribe to her English channel, subscribe to my channel. Go ahead, do all of this. And now we will go. Bye from Ferguson.